In today's video, I will be showing you how to separate text strings to columns here in Google Sheets. So there are two ways that you can split your text into columns. In this example, what I want to do is to separate this name with the first name and the last name. Now I can do that with a function called split. So if we start our formula right here, select split, put in your text, which is in this cell right here, comma, and your delimiter, which is your separator, and that would be your space. So in quotation marks, I'm just going to put in a space right there, close that off, press enter, there you have it. Now what if you don't want a repetition of your text right here? You already have the name on this cell and you don't want to repeat it right here. What you can do would be to use the tool split text to columns. So let's go ahead and use that. I'm just going to select this name right here. Go to Data in the menu bar, then select Split Text to Columns. If I click on that, I will be asked to find a separator, which is our delimiter. So if we click on this drop-down and select Space, there you have it. It has successfully split our text or separated our text into columns right here. If we select this same thing, go back and do the same thing, select Split Text to Columns, from your data in the menu bar, select the separator, which is our space, and there you have it. Now we can do this with other separators like your comma, your space, your period, your semicolon. You can definitely do that. So what I'm going to do here is to select this cell where we have this multiple names separated by spaces and commas. So select that cell, go to Data, select Split Text to Columns, and now it has automatically detected the separator or the delimiter as the comma. So we have separated all those names in these cells or columns right here. Let's do the same thing with the rest of our data. Select all of those, go back to Data and select Split Text to Columns. And there you have it. So again, you have different separators right here that you can select. We have the comma, semicolon, period, space, and you can even customize this into whatever special character that you're using to separate those texts within your cells. Let me just adjust the sizes of our columns right here to fit in the text within those cells, and there you have it. That's how we can separate text strings to columns here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.